Hi, good day to you all again. It's Goran from Compressors. Uh, Let me demonstrate and show you today this KAESER air blower. It's pretty clean and almost new, made in 2018. It's a 41P block, made in 2018, and also this silencer is filled up with the KAESER SB220 Omega oil. Nothing is pretty much done on this machine, except that I have to say that part with the KAESER blower left in the other warehouse, so we ordered a new set of gauges for a vacuum meter and a manometer. It will came with this blower. It will be installed in these days. So vacuum meter and manometer are missing. So they're in the warehouse, but additional are ordered from KAESER, and it will be sold with this unit. So I will now fire it up to see how it's working. It's a pretty powerful Omega blower. This motor is 20 horsepower, and it gives more than 10,000 cubic meters. I think it's 11,000 cubic meters. So let's fire it up. So this unit has 1 bar output pressure maximum and 500 millibars of vacuum. It's pretty good. So good luck on your bids. Enjoy your day. See you next time.